This video is for you if you are looking for reliable apps to make money just by playing. Hello, this is Clever Money, and if you've watched any of our previous videos, you'll know that we enjoy experimenting with new free ways to make some additional money while having fun online. Playing games on your phone is one way to have fun and earn money at the same time. And in this video, I'll show you 7 legit and entirely free apps that will allow you to do just that. So, before I go over the 7 techniques, I just want to make it obvious that there are literally hundreds, if not thousands of gaming apps where you can earn money by playing games. The reality though is that the most majority of them are incredibly spammy. There is a lot of different pop-up advertising, and they all give you very little value for your time. So if you want to earn money by playing games on your phone, you really need to know which apps are worth utilizing. Because if you don't, you'll wind up squandering hours and hours without earning anything out of it. I have tried hundreds of different ways to make money online, and in this video, I've put together a list of 7 legit game apps that I know will pay you, that I know are legit, and where you can actually make money. I just want to be clear that it will not be a method to make a living or anything like that. However, as a means to make some additional cash while having fun, they may be fantastic. I also want to clarify that this is not a prioritized list because which of these options is best for you will depend on your preferences as well as the country in which you live. However, no matter where you live, you will have options. So now that that's out of the way, let's look at the 7 possibilities. UpKarma is the first option I'd like to show you, and UpKarma is one that I have had a lot of success with and that I enjoy using because it's so user-friendly. You simply download it, and then within the app, you will see a list of other applications and games that you can download and get points for each time you play them. Also, UpKarma has other offers and daily bonuses, and it pays amazing benefits once you have cashed out with its many bonus systems. As a result, playing games can be a pleasant way to make a little additional money. And normally, if you join using an invitation link, you will receive 300 points as a welcome bonus. Cointoply is the next app, and it is both a website and a mobile application. A Get Paid To app where you may earn money in a variety of ways. Playing several tiny games is one of the ways you can make money. Some of the games can only be played on the website, while others can be played on the app. You can also earn money by doing surveys, clicking ads, and doing a variety of other activities. And you'll be paid in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies by Cointoply. After that, you can either take those out and exchange them for real money, or you may leave it as cryptocurrencies and watch it increase over time. However, if you are interested in Bitcoin, it's primarily a fun method to make money. You will need to choose one of the other alternatives if you merely want to get paid in cash without having to exchange it first. However, if you are interested in cryptocurrencies, it's a terrific option because you can just withdraw them there and then have additional Bitcoin, for example. Cointoply is also an app and a website that people from all around the world can use. Swagbucks is the next app I'd want to discuss, and it is one of the most well-known get paid to sites and applications. It provides a variety of options for you to earn money, one of which is by playing games. And Swagbucks is available in almost every country. However, the games are not available in every country, and I just want to be clear about that. Swagbucks is most appealing if you live in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Ireland, France, Germany, or Spain. It has the most opportunities in these countries. Other countries can still join, but it will take more patience to earn and you should not expect to find the games here. However, if you live in one of those countries, you can earn some good extra cash on Swagbucks, as well as by playing tiny games. Moving on to the following choice, which is also known as Swagbucks. It's the same firm, except this time it's called Swagbucks Live, and it is a single game app. This is a trivia game that you can download from both the App Store and Google Play. It is called Swagbucks Live, so it is a trivia game where you can put your knowledge to the test and, if you are lucky, win pretty substantial prizes, as you can see below. It is absolutely free to download and play, but as of the production of this video, Swagbucks Live is only available in the United States and Canada. Swagbucks Live is not for you if you do not live in one of these two countries, but if you do, it can be a fun way to potentially earn. Of course, you don't know if you will win, but since it's a game, a trivia game, it may be a lot of fun to play nonetheless. You could win some extremely wonderful things if you win. The next alternative I'd like to discuss is Playtest Cloud, which is a site where you can get paid to test new games. You can join up by clicking here in the right corner where it says Become a Tester. Playtest Cloud primarily caters to individuals in English-speaking nations, but it is also available for iOS and Android devices. You will need to download and install software, which they will walk you through. Then it will record your screen while you are playing a game, as well as what you say, because you will be speaking out loud your ideas so they can gather feedback on the game. You won't find games to test every day or every even week, so you won't receive a lot of games, but the ones you do get paid nicely, usually around $9 for a 15-minute test. You should be aware that when you first sign up, you will be required to take a brief exam that will last approximately 5 to 10 minutes, and for which you will not be paid. This is a qualifying test, and if you pass, you'll be granted access to the prospective pay tests. So the next alternative I'd like to discuss is Inbox Dollars, which is a website or app that is only available in the United States, but you can download it as an app or use it on its website. It has a variety of ways to earn money, one of which is via playing games. It features a variety of games, some of which are free to play and others that require payment in order to play, but for which you will receive payback. As a result, not all of them will be useful to you. This, of course, depends on the types of games you enjoy playing. One of the best aspects about Inbox Dollars is that you will receive a $5 welcome bonus simply for signing up. To receive your payout for the first time, you must first earn $30, after which you can be paid in cash via PayPal or choose from a variety of gift cards. However, after the first time, the payment requirement is merely $10, making it much easier to reach. Even the first time, it won't take long because you'll receive a $5 welcome bonus. The last alternative I'd want to discuss is the Cashmole Up, which is admittedly a bit of an outlier on this list. Personally, I prefer the other options available, but this might be a fun and simple way to get started. You will receive a welcome bonus as soon as you join, which is fantastic. It gives you some nice rewards at the start, but the longer you play, the less likely you are to gain a lot. So patience is required. But if you enjoy playing the app's games, why not earn a little more money while you're at it? However, if you are just searching for a quick way to make money while playing, this isn't the ideal solution for you. Though you can use Cashmole from almost anywhere in the world, which is fantastic. As you can see, there are a lot of nice possibilities if you want to earn money by playing games on your phone. There are literally hundreds of thousands of possibilities, but as I already stated, many of them are not worth it. But these 7 options are all legitimate, and if you play games through them, you will be paid, and several of them also offer other methods to earn. And if you do utilize them, I strongly advise you to also use some of the other earning ways because you will earn more money that way. But regardless, I hope this video here was helpful to you, and I will provide links below this video so you may get more information. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. That is all for now, and I will see you next time.